Thank you for introducing. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Taichi. I work with Aoyama Gakuin University. And today, my title is about OSM crisis mapping activities in the Noto Peninsula earthquake 2024, this year's situation. So actually, in this year's, beginning of this year, so big earthquake happened in Japan. And so maybe I hope the area will changing the recovering and maybe reconstruction. So maybe I hope that normal situation will come to disaster affected area. Anyway, so my major is geospatial technology, and my major is work is university side. But so many times I am doing some collaboration project with open geospatial community and global community. And if you have interest, so please join and please follow me the Twitter or X account or something. Anyway, so many times I using the advanced technology like the drone. So I have a lot of drones, over the 100 drones. So that is the largest one. Anyway, so this drone, if we can use on the drone on our campus, so this is our Aoyama Gakuin University Sagamihara campus. So just 10 minutes for the drone image detecting process, so we can get the three-dimensional point cloud data like this. So, and that technology can relate to the mapping. So, and I'm interested about the open geospatial community in the global. And we are doing, and we are making a lot of map data with some organization like this. And today's my talk related to those projects. And so, of course, my result is I'm a mapper. So many times I made and I updated a lot of map data in the many countries. Already I have contributed 9 countries, mainly that it's crisis mapping. So, and yes. Today, I would like to share about my experience and my method as a crisis mapping. So, and collaborated with a volunteered community. So, short name is VGI, Volunteered Geographic Information. So, main platform is OpenStreetMap. This is a kind of participant open geospatial communities platform for the global world mapping data set. And today's afternoon session, so hands-on session, if you will join to our hands-on session, so, and if you don't have the OSM account, please sign up before the hands-on session. Anyway, so let's back to my slide. Yes, so about the OpenStreetMap. This is like the wiki styles map data, and my experience, so we had studied the crisis mapping with OpenStreetMap. That experience happened in 2010, the Taichi earthquake, and I can show our result. And the timeline is bottom position and like this. The January 12th, big earthquake happened in the Haiti's city, Port-au-Prince, capital city. And after that, so white flash happened. White flash means someone edited the OpenStreetMap data, the road, buildings, and the coastline or something. And blue color means evacuated the shelters position data. Anyway, so you can understand, so a lot of editing happened in 2010. And this is an OpenStreetMap screenshot on the before earthquake. So our platform had a huge data set. But so about, I remember 2,000 volunteer mapper joined to Haiti's situation. So after that, so our OpenStreetMap data will change very quickly. So we updated those data like this. So this is a volunteer power. And so that is the zoom-in imagery. So after earthquake, so we could get some satellite imagery, drones imagery from the NASA, JAXA, or Google, or other organizations. Anyway, so we did the tracing, and we merged a lot of information into the OpenStreetMap platform. And so that is my first experience of crisis mapping using by OpenStreetMap. And so next year, 2012, you know, the big earthquake happened in Japan too. So, and immediately we did the same approach for the disaster affected area like this. And 2013, a big landslide happened in the Izuoshima Island in Tokyo Prefecture. So we updated like this. That landslide data updated just one day. And we shared that data as open data. And after that, the local community, they print out our data for the local people. Because local people cannot access to the internet, so we can provide as a paper maps like this. Anyway, so every year, every time, so big earthquake or natural disaster happened in each country. So, and this is a 2013 Hurricane Typhoon Yolanda high-end situation in Philippines. And this is a 2014 the Ebola's outbreak in the African countries. And like this, so immediately we updated a lot of data for the disaster or crisis situations area. This is a 2015 Nepal's earthquake, like this, before and after. And Kumamoto earthquake 2016, before and after. And like this. And yeah, last year, you know, Turkey, Syria's earthquake happened in a very, very serious situation. And so immediately we collaborated volunteer mappers like this. So, and totally over the, I think, 10,000 volunteer mappers collaborated to those crisis mapping for the Turkey and Syria's area. So, and OpenStreetMap is not only the general map. I think so. Maps meaning had two types. So OpenStreetMap we can provide as a base map, but if user want to get the semantic map, example the road map or building maps or something, so you can extract. So and very popular semantic map provide. So you can access via the HDX provided from the OCHA side. So maybe Tony will explain some information about the HDX. Anyway, so if we updated the OpenStreetMap data, so HDX platform will provide our data as each semantic data. So the road data, building data like this. And if you choose the building data, like the Turkey's building, so you can download as a GIS data. So like this. You can choose many good data format. And so maybe you can understand our data is not only on the map image. So our data is a database. If you want to get, you can connect and you can use for any purposes. And example, this is attribution of our building maps data. So if you want to get some more useful attribution, names or labeling or something, anyway, so you can, and many times we can updating. So not perfect, but so we are thinking about how to provide a map database. And so that HDX platform can provide how many people downloaded those data like this. So the result is a very, very good so information for our volunteer mapper, because we want to provide and we want to connect to the very good project for the many organization, many project. So that the evidence is very, very important for the volunteer mapper. And sometimes we collaborated with the local people like this, so they could provide photo data, drones imagery or something, and we update it, and for the after earthquake situation like this. This is a open area map from provided the drone imagery and satellite imagery, so we can access. And so we added and we updated a lot of data like this. So, and this is Noto Peninsula's earthquake situation. So yeah, we started our tasking managers project. That is a data mapping task sharing platform organized by the OPSMAP, humanitarian OPSMAP team. So short name is HOT. Anyway, so the Japanese mappers and international mappers, they joined to our crisis mapping project for the Noto Peninsula area. So like this, we added a lot of projects and please join to our those projects like this. And if you join to our project, so you can choose the place for the task or something. Anyway, that is our result about 1 month. Correctly, the 39 days. So we did the 12 project, and volunteered contributor is over the 2,000 contributor joined to our project. And this is a spreadsheet for each project. So very short project. We completed only just 3 days. So, and just one and the most long days is 19 days for the one city area. Anyway, so totally we updated the building footprint data is 0.2 million building data for the 12 cities area, and road data we updated 1.9 1.9 thousand kilometers road data set we updated. And this crisis mapping project, many high school students joined to our project as a general geography class. So, and some teacher, my friend teacher, so he shared, so I will do with our student. And another Osaka Information and Computer Science College students, they joined our collaboration project like this. And so that is a volunteer project. And our updated OSM data, so many organizations, and I think some organizations used our data with other semantic mapper. Example, this is traffic performance data provided from ITS Japan. So that traffic performance data provided the road company's side, and that data can overlay on the OpenStreetMap like this. And this is another semantic maps system. That name is SVG map, developed by the KDDI company. KDDI is a very major communication company, and they have to update, fix the infrastructures, and so they can overlay the very serious situation with OpenStreetMap data, and that system, SVG map, can overlay over the 200 semantic mapper layers with OpenStreetMap. Some newspapers company or media side said they have to share about the recent situation. So that base map, they chose our data, OpenStreetMap data. So, and the most important advantage of OpenStreetMap is offline support. So if you go to the disaster affected area with the Google map, so maybe that internet connection will lost. So, but our data is open data. You can use as offline situation. So, and OpenStreetMap community is providing some very useful offline map tool, so you can use as a navigation. So that is a very, very important, I think. So if you don't have, I recommend this application. The name is Organic Maps. That is a very, very useful. So if you go to the offline situation, not only the disaster affected area, so that your international works or something you can use. And but in this year's situation, so how about the HDX platform? So the HDX provided only just one data, provided from the Google, not our data. So anyway, so Google has the open building data, that data generated by the AI technologies with satellite imagery. Anyway, so Google, sometimes Google data is very useful, but that accuracy is sometimes so not good. So maybe overlay that data with GSI maps or something. So that our data and GSI maps are Google. So yeah, if there is no data situation, so that not high accuracy data is very important. But we want to provide how to provide the more higher accuracy, but very fresh data. So GSI is a official Japanese government side organization, and they can provide very higher accuracy reference data. So that is very important. So anyway. Today, I would like to share about our experience and my knowledge. So anyway, so recently in Japan, the international community, so this year's earthquake situation, over the 2,000 volunteers joined to our project, crisis mapping project. And our data is open data. If you want to use offline situation, that is available. Yeah, we need to share about we need to share the know-how to the properly pass our result to many experts via UN OCHA's HDX platform and other channels. So if you have interest, so please contact me and please join to our crisis mappers community. So lastly, my message. So this image is Tadatakai no. So Tadatakai no is a very legendary Japanese surveyor 200 years ago, and he said, "Just keep working. Persistent paid off." Thank you.